In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to work with repository backups. The repository backups can be used to move metadata between various repositories, including various repository types. For example, between Oracle and SQL Server, or even MS Access databases. So to create new repository backup, click Maintain. We always recommend disabling services such as agent before making backup. Just click Backup, and we just select the file. Let's call it Backup. Click Save. It's all completed. Now let's switch to another repository, which is empty. Testing. So we click Reconnect, and we perform restore. So before we do that, we need to disable execution. It's very easy. Just untick this button. Tick this button. Let's try again. Restore. OK. Want to delete everything. Click OK. Click Open. All done. Let's check that we actually have data in the repository. So here's the repository. There is another way of creating a repository backup. The default repository has an example. How to automate it. We can run it just by clicking the green button. It's all completed. We recommend scheduling this package and run it on a regular basis. Thank you for watching. As usual, like and subscribe. Bye.